Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really cute box card. This is my holiday train box card. How much fun is this little design? You have that cute little Christmas tree train just going down the tracks. You have some Christmas trees here in the front, and the little smoke is coming out of the chimney. I think that's what that's called, is the chimney. I don't know if there's a technical term for a train. And some clouds in the background. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course there's an envelope as well. This card is really easy to put together and I cannot wait to show it to you. You know how I love box cards. They're super fun to make. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. Just like that. I'll set that to the side for just a minute. We can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Now let's go ahead and flip the outside box piece over and we can attach the messaging panel to the back. I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the inside tab piece. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, then pink, blue, yellowish orange, green, and red. Before I layer everything together, I'm going to fold and burnish the tabs. And now I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our cute little train. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, refer to that layering guide, but from back to front, you're going to start with the lighter green, then red, white, and darker green. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and take our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab. And I'm going to attach it to the left side here on the outside box piece, making sure to line up the edges really well. And I will repeat that for the right side. Go ahead and give it a fold. Just like that. And I'll add glue to this front left tab. Take my front cover panel and attach that side. And then repeat it for the right side. And then that will close up the box. Just like so. I'm going to set the card to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap, spin the envelope around, go ahead and fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps, and with your thumbs go ahead and push up and press, and that forms your envelope. And our holiday train box card is all set. How adorable was this card? I really love this design. You could not only use it for Christmas time, but change up the colors, maybe remove the snow from the front there, and you could totally make this into a cute birthday card or anything like that for somebody who loves trains. I think it's a really versatile design. I hope that you do too. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.